Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best car seats on Amazon. When driving with children, car seats are their safety cages. If set up properly, they can save your child's life in the event of a frontal. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Graco EXTEND2 Fit Convertible Car Seat. Graco offers a budget-friendly, convertible car seat that's designed for infants and toddlers. It can be used as a rear-facing infant seat, accommodates 4 to 50 pounds, or a forward-facing toddler seat, accommodates 22 to 65 pounds, and has an extension panel for increasing the legroom when used as a rear-facing seat. The panel offers 5 inches of extra room and can be adjusted to 4 positions. As with most Graco car seats, the EXTEND2 Fit headrest can be adjusted to 10 different positions and includes a 6-position recline. It also has 2 cup holders and a removable and machine washable seat pad. What we like about it: adjustable in 10 positions. 5 extra inches of legroom when extended. Comes with 2 cup holders. Highly reputable brand name. What we don't like about it: lifting release latch required to pull anchor and shoulder straps. Hard to tight seat straps evenly. Number 2. Graco Forever DLX Car Seat. The Graco Forever Car Seat is a 4-in-1 car seat that only needs slight adjustments to accommodate a growing child. It offers 10 years of use, and you can start using it as a rear-facing seat, 4 to 40-pound carrying capacity, a forward-facing car seat, 22 to 65-pound carrying capacity, a high-back booster seat, 40 to 100-pound carrying capacity, and finally, a backless booster seat, 40 to 120-pound carrying capacity. It can recline to 6 positions to help keep your child comfortable as they grow, and the headrest and harness system can be adjusted to 10 different positions to ensure that your child is constantly secured. What we like about it: takes a second to connect to the latch system. 10-position headrest and 6-position recline for comfort. Quick and easy to remove car seat cover. What we don't like about it: cover is not scratch-proof. Limited color options. Number 3. Safety 1A Grow and Go Convertible Car Seat. The Safety 1A Grow and Go 3-in-1 car seat is a game changer for families that are constantly on the go. Unlike many travel systems, it's just one unit and not bulky. The car seat is specially designed to accommodate your growing child, as the rear-facing seat accommodates 5 to 40 pounds, the forward-facing seat holds 22 to 65 pounds, while the belt positioning booster holds 40 to 100 pounds. Another feature we appreciate with the Safety 1A Grow and Go 3-in-1 car seat is its harness holders. Its harness holders make it easy for you to put your kid in and out of the car seat. What we like about it: excellent amount of padding for comfort. Includes 2 cup holders. Multiple recline options. More than 10 different color options. What we don't like about it: only comes with 3 recline positions. Seat adjustment handles may rattle with heavy bumpy driving. Number 4. Chico Next Fit Zip Car Seat. The Chico Next Fit Zip Car Seat is designed to surround your precious baby in safety and comfort from the first day up to preschool and beyond. It accommodates infants and toddlers in rear-facing and then transitions to forward-facing for older children. And it features a removable newborn positioner that provides a proper fit for newborns, as well as a 9-position headrest for enhanced comfort. In addition, the Chico Next Fit Zip Car Seat offers an amazingly simple tightening and leveling system with its Locksure belt locking system and Super Cinch latch tightener. What we like about it: Super Cinch latch tightener for easy seat belt latch adjustment. 9-position headrest for comfort. Steel reinforced frame for support. Very comfortable EPS energy absorbing foam. What we don't like about it: very bulky. So-so fabric quality, may shed with heavy wear and tear. Number 5. Primo Viaggio Nido Car Seat. The Primo Viaggio Nido car seat is one of the more formidable safety-conscious car seats we've researched. For starters, its 10-position load leg and built-in anti-rebound bar help reduce impact during front, side, and rear collisions, and a stylish mesh UPF 50+ hood Also protects your little one from excess UV exposure. What we like about it: 10-position load leg for extra impact absorption. UPF 50 plus mesh hood for UV protection and airflow. 6 different height positions for comfort. What we don't like about it: strap may fray with heavy wear. Hand wash preferred over machine wash. Limited color options. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.